What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Gala. Currently seeing at 0.01766, down about 4% on the day. Market cap 616 million. 24-hour volume is 65 million. So if we pop into the charts, so a couple scenarios, we could be putting in this inverse head and shoulders if this support holds in between 0.01725 and 0.01772. If we start to lose this support, especially 0.01725, it really opens up the doors for a bearish scenario coming down, potentially coming right back down to the low 1 cent range. Unless we can get a reaction from this level, we start to bounce, we break that neckline. That's your bullish confirmation. This can be changed. That's your bullish confirmation of a move back to the upside. But looking at BTC, there's definitely a bearish scenario that could play out. So if we do end up coming down, breaking 0.01725, then I would expect you to come back down to the low 1 cent range. It is what it is. The Bitcoin correction could be still ongoing. So we'll see if we get a reaction out of the zone. Your bullish confirmation would be a break of the inverse head and shoulders. However, if we start to lose the support zone, I do think we'll see further downside towards the low 1 cent range. So we'll see what happens if we can get that bounce. But basically, if we fail to do so, we just roll over, continue the downtrend. Then you can come all the way back down to the bear market low of 0.01330. And of course, there is the possibility of breaking it. So right now on the shorter time frame, what you want to watch is if we get a bounce from this support area and push up to this neckline, that could give you the long opportunity once we break that neckline. Otherwise, this support zone breaks, increases the likelihood of a bearish scenario coming down and breaking 0.01649 and then coming back down to the lower 1 cent range. We'll have to see how we react to this zone. All right, gang, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America without a KYC or VPN. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Of course, BITUNIX can be used in other countries, but my North Americans, I'm also from Canada, are struggling to find exchanges to trade on. Come join BITUNIX. Check out my full link tutorial at the end. 10% back on every single one of your trades on your fees. Make sure to join my Discord where I give my daily crypto analysis as well as my Forex trade signals. Excuse me. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.